Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory low. On the application of Google Wallet, we click on Settings. In this page, we go to Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. On above, you will search about Google Wallet and you will click. Here in this page of App Info, you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. But pay attention, don't click Clear Data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Google Wallet. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.